Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the new Timex Helix Gesto 2.0 smart band which has been launched in India. So the Helix Gesto is a fitness tracker or fitness band which was launched last year by Timex. Now we have the version 2.0 with improved features. So we're going to do a quick unboxing first, then we'll talk about the features, what all options it has, and how good the fitness tracker is for the price segment. So this is the box package. You can see the Gesto 2.0 and the music control is there. Then you get SOS alert and heart rate monitoring, activity tracking, sleep monitoring, calories and notifications. So that's the band. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing first. So we'll just open the box package and show you the band. So there you go, you can see that there is a manual included. So band charging and all the details are there. There is an app called Timex Helix Gesto app. We can connect that to the smartphone and pair it with that. So we'll talk about that as well. So this is the Timex Helix Gesto. So we just you can see that this is the smart band, and the pricing is mentioned here as 2495. That's the pricing mentioned on this. So we'll just remove this and there you go. So this is the Helix Gesto 2.0 and it has pretty good design actually. You can see that the design looks quite good. The curved display feels nice, and the band strap also looks really nice. The box, the bottom section has the Helix branding and the heart rate sensor, and you can also see that this has pretty good build quality as well. So it's a sturdy strap actually, and everything looks quite good in terms of build quality. Now talking about the device as such, so this has a 2.43 centimeter colored screen. So the screen size is definitely bigger than some of the other bands here. Now you can also comes with it also comes with calorie consumption, daily activities, heart rate monitoring, incoming call alerts, disconnect functionality, camera control, SMS notification, and SOS functionality is also there. Now other thing about the band is that it comes in variety of colors. We have the gray, black, blue variants. So it adds some customization in the form of straps, so that's something which is quite good. And it is supported both on iOS and Android, and it has IP54 splash resistant rating, and you can also control music on Android devices. Now let's have a look at the interface. So if you just tap on it, you get the main screen where we have the time, the steps and the heart rate. Since we have reset the device and no other measurement is right now available, that's the reason. Now you can also see the battery here. Now if you tap on this, you get the steps counter. Then we have the kilometers travel and calories burned. Health, if you press on the health, you can see that it actually enables the heart rate sensor. Then you get the sleep counter, the sleep monitoring. Then sports mode, if you just press and hold, walk is there, running and cycling. See, these are three options in the sports mode. Then going to the messages and notifications here, then more, if you just press and hold, you get the SOS functionality, you get the music control, about, reset and power off. So these are the options available. Now important thing about this is it's very simple interface. Now regarding the display, it's a 2.43 centimeter display. Now the display is color display, but it's not a touch enabled display. You have this button at the bottom which controls that. Now the brightness levels are kind of okay, we would say. Outdoor visibility could have been tad better. The brightness levels also could have been slightly better. That's what we feel. The touch response on this is quite okay. There is no touch display, but there is a button, not a physical button, it's a touch button. So the touch button works quite well. Now we have the heart rate monitoring and the calories burned. So that's the, you also get a Timex Helix app where you can connect the app to the device, and you can manage everything. So we'll talk about that app as well. So this is the band. Now this comes with 5 days of battery life. So we have been using for past few days, and we got slightly less than 5 days, around 4.5 days is kind of expected. But considering the other bands in this price segment, you get 2 weeks of battery life on most of the bands, like the Mi band, then the Redmi band, Honor band. Almost all of them have like more than 1 week of battery life. So you get only 5 days. That's kind of lesser when you compare with the competition. And looking at the fitness tracking and other options, it is quite okay. It's more or less accurate. We have tested it with comparing with other bands. It's more or less similar in terms of performance, and heart rate monitoring is also quite good. Now let's connect to the app and we'll just show you the functionalities. So this is the app which we have connected. So you can see here all the details available, BMI, heart rate, sleep monitoring, and you can see the device display setting you can set. Then alarm alert, if you have set the alarm, notification alert, you can set the notification for these options: calls, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Find My Phone, and battery optimization. Do not disturb mode is there. Then camera control is there. You can take pictures using, you can see here right now I can just use this smart band to take pictures on the smartphone. So that's another useful functionality. Then SOS is there. You can set your contact here, to whom you want to send an SMS in case there is an emergency. That's the option. Then you can see the profile. So this is the band app, which is kind of okayish app. Now the features, couple of interesting things. One is very simple interface and color display, and good sturdy build and colorful customization options. Now battery life is something which we didn't like less than 5 days is what we got. Most of the band give around 1.5 weeks, so here we have only half of the battery compared to the other bands. That's one thing on which is not that good on this band. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Helix Gusto 2.0 smart band. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.